Hey guys, today I'm going to share with you how to make pink sauce pasta with shrimp.
Pink sauce pasta with shrimp has a delicious combination of tomato sauce and cream, and it's my favorite pasta sauce. It has the perfect blend of tanginess and creaminess. So let's get started.
To begin, I'm going to season 1 pound of peeled and deveined shrimp with salt and pepper. I've made pink sauce pasta in the past, but what inspired me to make this dish again is when I had dinner with a couple girlfriends a few weeks ago, and one of my friends had ordered this pink sauce with shrimp, and oh my, it was amazing. So good, I think I regretted my order. But it's okay, now I can easily make it right at home. So in a pot of boiling water, I've added 1 pound of fettuccine noodles. You could totally use whatever noodles you prefer. This is just what they served it with at the restaurant, so I'm just gonna stick with fettuccine. After cooking it according to the package instructions, I'm gonna drain and set it aside. I have another pan that I've heated over medium-high heat, and I'm gonna add a little bit of olive oil. And I'm gonna go ahead and saute the shrimp. And if you love shrimp, feel free to add more than a pound. And if you don't like shrimp, this will also go well with some chicken breast or maybe some Italian sausages. My hubby and son are big time shrimp lovers, so anytime I cook shrimp for dinner, they are happy. The shrimp doesn't take long to cook at all. Just cook it until it turns pink, about 2 minutes, and then I'm gonna remove and set them aside. Now I'm gonna melt 2 tablespoons of butter. Once the butter has melted, I'm going to add half a diced onion along with 5 minced garlic cloves. And I'm just gonna cook them until they're slightly softened. This will take about 3 minutes over medium heat. Also, if you guys are new on here, please go ahead and hit that like and subscribe button. That would really help to support my cooking channel. Now I'm going to stir in 2 teaspoons of dried basil. I'm also going to add in a 28-ounce can of crushed tomatoes. And if you guys follow me, you guys know I never use jarred marinara because look how easy it is to make with just a few pantry ingredients. Now I'm going to stir in 1 cup of heavy cream. And this, my friends, is what makes the sauce pink-ish. Seriously, this sauce has the best of both worlds. You have the tanginess from the tomatoes and the creaminess from the heavy cream, and it's just so delicious. And also you want to make sure you season it really well with some salt and pepper. Remember, this is going over pasta, so you want to make sure everything is well seasoned. I love Italian food, but I think out of all the restaurants that I dine at, it would probably be the least. And I think it's because it's so easy to make at home, and sometimes it comes out even better. Plus, if you do the math, this dish was about $20 at the restaurant, and it was 1 serving, which meant it fed 1 person. And I am able to feed 4 people in my household with this recipe, and it cost me about $20 or under. And hey, it always feels good to save money. And I'm just gonna add in the shrimp back to the pan, and this is pretty much ready to serve. Look at this, it's just so thick, creamy, and delicious. I can't wait to serve it up. And as always for you guys, I have the full written recipe in the description below. So instead of stirring the noodles into the sauce, I like to serve it like how they did at the restaurant. They just spooned over lots of sauce over the pasta, which is perfect because I tend to like my pasta super saucy. So bring on the extra sauce for me, please. And of course, to finish it off, we need some shredded Parmesan cheese and some red crushed pepper flakes. And there you have it, a gourmet Italian dish served right in the comfort of my own home.
1, 2, 3, cheers! Yummy? So good. I'm so good. Favorite? Well, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please give me a like, subscribe, and hit that bell notification. I make cooking videos weekly. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one.